If you've ever wondered about grass-fed beef's impact on the environment, keep watching. What is sustainability? Beef It's What's for Dinner defines sustainability as the process of producing safe, nutritious beef while balancing environmental stewardship, social responsibility, and economic viability. Grass Run Farms focuses on 6 areas to improve our sustainability efforts. How does beef production impact the environment? Only 1.9% of all U.S. greenhouse gas emissions come from the U.S. beef industry. And the beef industry is continuing to work on making its footprint smaller by adopting new methods. These methods, commonly referred to as regenerative agriculture, focus on practices that improve soil health and revitalize the environment. Grass-fed cattle support regenerative agriculture through rotational grazing, which aids in carbon sequestration. When cattle are grazed responsibly on grasslands, grasses grow well and trap carbon in the soil instead of releasing it into the atmosphere. In addition, our 100% grass-fed beef is born, pasture-raised, and harvested in the USA, so it requires less energy and ultimately greenhouse gases to get beef from our farms to your table, compared to a larger share of imported grass-fed beef. Understanding sustainability and reducing food waste can help you become a green-minded beef consumer. Grass Run Farms is committed to producing sustainable, local, U.S.-raised and grazed 100% grass-fed beef. For tips to help you reduce food waste, visit grassrunfarms.com/sustainability.